POEM's mobile application is based on the Android operating system and can be used on any Android-based phone or tablet. The app can be downloaded by clicking on the download button on the GHRF mobile website. After clicking on the app icon, the user is presented with some simple but powerful options. These options include health records, annual health report, and wildlife sightings. There is also a button for help, training, and downloading new versions of the app. The mobile application is used in the field by healthcare workers and rangers. Healthcare workers record their medical examinations and view up-to-date medical information using the app. Rangers record animal sightings and view up-to-date information using the app. The use of the mobile application allows the collected information to travel rapidly from the place of examination to the ministries of health, which can respond more quickly to the problems. To view the health records, click on the medical staff icon. The records are in the format of a list that shows previous patients and each of their previous examinations. These records can be edited at a later date if need be. To add a new patient and conduct an exam, click the plus button on the top of the list view. This will set up a new exam form. The health worker can record the information gathered in the examination by typing or by recording the audio. The user will most likely enter the information by keyboard, but the audio option is available so that the health worker and the patient can converse smoothly without pausing for data entry. Let's take a look at how an exam is conducted using POEM's mobile. The date of examination defaults to the current date. The user can enter the location of the exam as well as personal information such as name, village, ID number, date of birth, and gender. The user may also take a picture of the patient using the mobile device's camera. To take a picture, click on the button labeled Take Picture. After entering the personal information, the user inputs the vital information such as weight, blood pressure, pulse, and temperature. Next, the healthcare worker would conduct a normal patient interview. If the healthcare worker chooses to record the audio, they can press the record button in the patient interview section. When the healthcare worker makes a diagnosis, the system will show an info card that presents the corresponding symptoms and recommended treatment. If the health worker wishes to provide the recommended treatment, they simply select Copy Recommended Treatment, and the plan will be copied into the form. When the exam form is completed, the healthcare worker will press Save to save the collected information on the device in a database. This internal database corresponds to the data warehouse that collects all data countrywide. Now let's look at the features a ranger may use. To view the sightings list, click on the animal icon. The sightings are listed in chronological order with the most recent ones at the top. To add a new sighting, click the plus button on the top of the list view. This will set up a new sighting form. The date of the sighting is defaulted to be today's date. Click Acquire GPS in order to document the location of the sighting. Enter by hand or choose from the list of options the species, gender, evidence, habitat, terrain, and weather in order to further describe the sighting. Lastly, type in any extra notes at the bottom of the form. If the sighting is of a rhino, click on the Rhino tab after completing the general form. This page is meant to help the ranger specify what kind of rhino was spotted by drawing its unique wrinkles onto the standard rhino body, which can be viewed from 4 different angles. When the forms are complete, click on the Save button to save the collected information on the device in a database. This internal database, again, corresponds to the data warehouse that collects all data countrywide. In addition to the basic features of the app, wireless mobile gadgets can interact with the app in order to make its use more efficient. One of these gadgets is a pulse ox, which a healthcare worker can use to record a patient's blood pressure. The data collected by the pulse ox is wirelessly transported to the Android tablet. Another gadget is a smart card. which automatically recognizes the identity of a patient when swiped on the back of the phone or tablet. This conveniently opens the patient's records automatically. In addition, the application has a GPS feature which allows rangers to pinpoint where their sightings occur